स्कुलाचो पयलो दीस आनी भुरग्यांक क्लासी भायर रावचे पडले। वास्को मोरगांव म्युनिसिपल स्कुलाचे पागेराक गळटी लागल्या। सोमारा सकाळी पावसाचे सगळे उदक क्लासीन घुसले। पागेराचे काम करात म्हूण गोंय स्कुलान पालिकेक कळयल्ले, मात स्कूल सुरू जाले तरी काम जायना। मुख्याधिकारी म्हणटा पालिकेक सध्या मातशी पैशाची अडचण आसा।
आज स्कूल का पहला दिन है और यहाँ पे बारिश के दिन हमको बुलाया स्कूल में पढ़ने के लिए, और ये स्कूल में लीकेज हो रहा है, बारिश हो रहा है, इसके लिए सब टीचर्स सारे बच्चों को बाहर पढ़ा दिए।
हमको 2 महीने हॉलीडे था और वो रिपेयरिंग किया है, सब बच्चों को क्लास में लीकेज हो रहा है, सब बच्चों को बाहर के टीचर को पढ़ा रहा है और बच्चों को सब स्कूल में गिफ्ट है उधर रिपेयरिंग किया है अभी तक।
स्कुलाच्या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्कुलाची परिस्थिती पालिकेच्या कानार घाल्ली, तरीकय ही परिस्थिती
in the these holidays also I did the letter I already sent to the municipality, and then I met chief officer also. She told me the order is already removed for repairing this road, but still they have not initiated any action.
पालिकेक सध्या पैशांची अडचण, आता खंय लक्ष घालतले।
मी ॲक्च्युली आमकां फायनान्शियल क्रंच आशिल्लें म्हणून आमी पयली ऑर्डर काडून आशिल्ली, मागीर मे म्हयन्यान हांवें ऑर्डर काडली आनी तांणी सुरूय केलें काम, आमचे सगळे हेवटेचे सायडीचे केल्लें आनी तेवटेंचे हाफ केल्लें आसा। आतां उरिल्लें काम ते करतले, मातशे फंड्स क्रंच आसा, तांकांय पेमेंट हांवें घालूंक ना न्ही, म्हणटका मातशें काम स्लो जालां आनी 1-2 दीस अशें आमकां जर आसर मेळ्ळो जाल्यार हांव तांचे कडेन मुद्दम जातीन करून घेता तें काम, कित्याक ती भुरगीं आमकां सेफ उरपाक जाय न्ही।
प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशांत परब।
वेळीची चर्च हल्लो केस फाटी घेवची म्हूण सरकारान निमणे अर्ज घालो। कोर्टान आता प्रकरणात जखमी जाल्ले पार्टीची सरकाराचेर अर्जाचेर बाजू मागल्या। केस सोमारा पोन्ने मार्केटातले सिव्हिल आनी क्रिमिनल कोर्टान सिनियर जुईज राम प्रभू देसाय मुखार आयली। वेळीच्यो केशी फाटी घेवपाचे उतर सरकारान विधानसभेनूय दिल्ले, मात कोर्टा मुखार तसो अर्ज घालूंक सरकार टायम काडटालो।
2012 वेळीच्या चर्चीकडेन रातची ही गजाल घडिल्ली। लोकांबरोबर कांय पुलिसांकूय मार पडिल्लो, 50 जाण जखमी जाल्ले। प्रकरण मिटोवन केस रद्द करची म्हूण सरकारी वकिलान अर्ज घालो। सरकारी वकिलाच्या अर्जाचेर विचार करून कोर्टान प्रकरणात जखमी जाल्ल्यांक नोटीशी काडल्यात। केस रद्द करपाचेर तांची बाजू कोर्टान मागल्या। आरोपींचो वकील राजीव गोम्स केस विड्रॉ करपाच्या सरकाराच्या प्रस्तावाचेर प्रुडंटाकडे उलयलो। हे केशीत फादर रोमानो गोन्साल्वीस आणि फादर लुसियो डायस धरून 21 आरोपी आसात।
Honorable Court has directed the special PP to place on record the material on which the PP has concluded that this is a case for withdrawal, and secondly notices have also been issued to the injured for the say in the matter. The matter has been remanded, it has been postponed now to the month of July.
केस 4 जुलयाक परत कोर्टा मुखार येतली। प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस।
शाळेच्या पहिल्या दिसा द गोवन इन स्कूल विकली मॅगझिनान गोंयभर शाळांनी वचून भुरग्यांक येवकार दिलो। भुरग्यांचे बरो प्रकाशीत करून तांकां लेखक जावंक तांचे विचार मांडपाक व्यासपीठ दिवपी हे भुरग्यांचे पॉप्युलर इंग्लिश मॅगझीन। शाळांनी पालक आनी भुरग्यांनी द गोवन इन स्कूलाक उमेदीन येवकार दिलो। स्कूलांतल्या माणकुल्या रायटर्सांची संकल्पना पालकांकूय बरीच आवडल्या।
So all I request here basically is to subscribe to the newspaper and also contribute through your writings, through your paintings, through your story writing, stories, through your dramas, short plays, etc.
Since the Goan in School paper has been started, children's interest is arisen, and they get the opportunity to write articles, drawings, then jokes. And when it comes on that particular paper, it is very exciting experience for them. So more and more students want to buy the Goan in School.
Goan, which I have recently seen, is very helpful. Students are becoming inclined towards this daily. I am also a regular reader of this daily.
If they get a forum like this to vent their feelings, I'm sure it will help the students a long way.
This is something very innovative, and I feel this is a welcome idea. The students can express themselves, the views, as the lady just told me, whenever a student goes for a tour or maybe holidays with the families, they can always give a write-up so that the views can be shared with all the other readers. This is a very good idea of the TG group. I wish them all the very best.
So we're very happy to have the Goan in School, this newspaper, introducing to our students. We wish you all a wonderful school year ahead.
Like the Goan and the Goan Varta. I'm looking forward to
continued interaction by these newspapers with the students, the staff and management, so that more and more could be achieved with the help of media like yours.
Response that we got today, it was the first day of school, and this was something that we came up with, that it's a wonderful thing that Goan in School is the only newspaper in Goa which provides children the platform, and we thought we might as well use this as a welcoming scheme too, and we've come up with a new scheme, so it was a perfect way to welcome the children back to school.
घेऊया एक विराम.